If you want to know how to put on the Breg Polar Care Kodiak Intelli-Flo Pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it fast and easy, step by step. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. So how do we properly use the cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way to do it end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to help make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg Kodiak Intelli-Flo Pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. You will be getting a flyer with your pad that shows the different connectors. The Cube and Kodiak systems have different connectors, so please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each cold therapy pad on our website. This particular dressing is the same one that's used for the knee pad, the multi-use pad, and the shoulder pad. You can use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please never put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. So you're going to remove the dressing from the package. Once you open it up, you're going to see that there are tabs in place. You're going to remove these tabs, which is going to allow you to stick it inside the pad. Once they're removed, stick the dressing in the pad. Make sure you press it down in place, and then you're ready to apply the pad to your skin. Today we're going to show you how to apply the Breg Polar Care Kodiak Multi-Use Pad with long stem. The traditional multi-use pad has about 5 inches of hose length, whereas this one has about 15.5. So it's designed to use on areas such as your shoulder or your hip. And today we are going to apply it to the hip area. As you can see, we already have our sterile dressing in place. And if you don't have a sterile dressing, you can always put it over your clothing. So because we're going to apply it to her right hip, we're going to need to attach our straps to the left side of the pad. So once we've done that, we're going to place it over the hip area, and you're going to want to bring around your top strap and attach it to the other side of the pad. Then take your bottom strap, bring it between your legs, and attach it to this pad also. Now, once you've got your pad in place, you're ready to connect your hoses. And keep in mind that before you connect these, you need to press down the metal tabs. And you'll hear that click when you do that. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and connect them. And when you hear that snap, that lets you know that the hoses are secure. Once you've done that, you're ready to turn on your system and do your therapy.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful. And do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.